you! Stop scrolling and let's play a game. Follow after me. Raise your right hand to your eye level. Do a circle like this. That's right. Now very quickly, but without hurting yourself, put it on your chin. Wait, that's your cheek. This is your chin. Did you realize that you did not do as you hear, you did as you see? In other words, what you see overrides what you hear. This is why you can be giving massive amount of value in your videos, but if you don't look confident in the video, people will not take you seriously. They will ignore you or worse, discredit you. But here's the good news. You don't have to feel confident to look confident. Feeling confident takes time. You need to record many videos and have some success with them in order to feel confident. But looking confident takes just watching this video and following these 3 simple adjustments. Number 1, smile more.
Hi, my name is Zen.
Not like this. You got to smile while you're speaking.
Hi, my name is Zen.
Now, when you smile in front of the camera, people automatically assume that you are confident. So practice smiling while speaking.
My cat just died and my girlfriend, who I loved very, very much, has left me for my best friend.
Unless you're talking about something really sad, then don't smile. Number 2, maintain eye contact with the camera. The trick is to pretend that the camera lens is someone that you love. And you are just talking to that one person throughout that video.
Sydney, I really love you. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me.
Number 3, increase your energy. The more enthusiastic and passionate you are on camera, the more confident people perceive you to be. One way to instantly increase your energy before filming is to jump before you speak. Please don't overdo it. Here's another way to increase your energy without killing yourself. Ask yourself, why is it so important for people to watch your video? Once you get connected to your why, you will automatically be speaking with more enthusiasm and passion. So to summarize, here are 3 simple adjustments to help you look confident instantly in front of the camera. Number 1, smile while you speak. Number 2, maintain eye contact with the camera. Number 3, increase your energy when you speak. If you like what I shared with you in this video, you would love all the other public speaking tips I have shared in this book, Get to the Point. This book contains answers to the 99 burning questions people ask all the time about public speaking. Questions like, is there a structure I can adopt in my presentation to make it more persuasive and memorable? Or, Eric, what are the steps in crafting an effective story? Or questions like, how do I ensure that my presentation is funny and memorable? And many, many other questions. Unfortunately, I no longer sell this book in hard copy, but if you share this video on Facebook and tag a friend in the comment section, both you and your friend may stand a chance to win each a copy of this book. Comment away.